everything for me. You're a queen, you always keep it G. For me, that's why I got a thing for you.
What's up, guys? I missed you. It's been a while. So today I'm going to give you all a sneak peek on me painting Skylar's face. She has been worrying me to death to implement her into a video, put her on YouTube per se. So last minute we decided to paint her face for Halloween. We didn't trick or treat or anything. It was just a quick little experience for her. So in this video, I'm just giving you all a sneak peek at me painting her face. Of course, you'll see the moments where she gets impatient and restless. And also, I didn't have much to work with, so most of the stuff that I'm using is out of my makeup kit besides the white paint. So just bear with me, that's all I had. So I'll let you all finish enjoying the video. Talk to you soon. Bye. So at this point, she was getting restless. So you'll see her scooting down. So we were almost done. So you'll see that in a minute. But I didn't want to cut it out because I wanted to give you all a sneak peek of that, she got restless, but she wanted this, so